Hello, in this video we are going to be talking about the Zoho CRM and how to install and connect it to your GHL workflow in such a way that you can manage users and profiles right from your in the sub account. And now we are going to start by you logging into your GHL plugins account. Why in your GHL plugins account you have to go to workflow app. So under workflow apps, now you're going to search for Zoho. Now you can see there's Zoho CRM and Zoho Campaigns. We'll talk about this one in another video. So for Zoho CRM, simple, just as the other apps, you click on. So to install it, we have to select an agency. So you select the agency, you check up the boxes, and you proceed. And after you proceed, the installation will be done automatically, and this window will be closed automatically too, so you'll be redirected here. Now what's left to be done is to connect the app to your CRM. How do you get it connected? By going to a sub account and using the custom menu link which you have created, and from there you can put in the necessary fields or requirements in order to get the connection done. So we are going to take this step by step. How do you get the custom menu link on your sub account? For those who are doing this for their first time, this is your first app that you're installing from the workflow apps. Then you need to copy this custom menu link and so you have to switch to your agency. You go to settings, custom menu link, you click on the button to create, you select an icon of your choice, then you can put in a link name. So you name it, the name is your choice. You paste in the link that you copied earlier. You set up to your preference, so you may want to disable this one. If you want to use just for specific accounts, you can turn off this one too, and so you can select the specific accounts. If you want to use for all accounts, you turn off this one and use for all accounts. So those are the preferences. When you're done, you save, and now your custom menu link has been set up successfully. How now do we proceed from here? You just need to switch. So the step we just made now is a once and for all step that you do for all the apps. So as you've done it for this first app, you don't need to do it for every other app. You just need to access the sub account you want to use, the workflow action. You go to the custom menu link that you have added. So you go to the custom menu link, then you're going to see all the different apps. So whenever you get a new app installed from here, you can just go to the sub account. No need creating another custom menu link. You just go to the sub account and search for that app. So we're going to search for Zoho. Zoho doesn't pop for me. My case is special, different, because I have connected that app already. So if I search under connected, you're going to see it pop up. But in your case, you're going to search under the available apps. When it pops up, you select the one, Zoho CRM. It's asking for client ID and secret ID. How to get these parameters to fill them in here? You need to come to log into ap.com. You log in, then it's going to give you the opportunity to create clients, so add clients. From there you can grab the required client ID and the client secret. Now you go to api console.zoho.com, you log in, and you can add a client or you can use an existing client. I'll assume that most of us are new, so we are going to create a new one, new client, server based. We put the name of the client, we put any link, then here we need a URL from here. So we're going to close this and copy this URL, then we come back and paste it here, then we can create. So now that we create, that is our client. We have the client secret and the client ID from here. So from here we can copy the client ID, come back here, client ID, paste, and client paste. So from here we have all our parameters. We just need to submit and everything is good, installed and connected. Now to get access to the actions, just as every other action in your sub account, you can access this one. So you just need to go to actions and add them normally. So you can search here. I'm going to search for Zoho. Zoho CRM service. So these are the various actions that I can have under my Zoho CRM service. Delete a profile, we can update a profile, we can create a profile, we can delete a user, we can update user, create user, delete role, and update role, create a role. These are the various actions that you can manage using workflows, interact with your Zoho account, your Zoho CRM account. So from your workflow, you can add, you can create a user, you can update the user. So this process goes exactly the same for Zoho campaign. You can see for Zoho campaigns, we have the same credentials. So to get this, you need to go to the API console, you create another app, so you're going to create a second, going to add another client for Zoho campaign you create. So we're going to put in a new name, we put in a new link, and the URL. We need to grab this one, redirect, we copy. So it's pretty much the same steps, and we create, and that's done. So we can copy this, the secret, the client secret, and the ID, the client secret and the client ID, so we can use them in here. Basically the same steps as the Zoho CRM that you have for Zoho campaigns.